Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an encrypted email in Gmail. Gmail's confidential mode lets you send emails with extra security by preventing recipients from forwarding, copying, printing, or downloading your message. You can also set an expiration date and require a passcode for added protection. So let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer. If you haven't already, sign into your Google account. Next, click the Compose button to create a new email. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and write your message. Now click the Turn on Confidential Mode icon at the bottom of the Compose window. It looks like a padlock with a clock. A Confidential Mode settings window will appear. Choose an expiration date for your email. If you want extra security, under Require Passcode, select SMS passcode. Otherwise, choose No SMS passcode. Once you've selected your settings, click Save. Your email is now protected with Confidential Mode. If you selected SMS passcode, Gmail will ask you to enter the recipient's phone number before sending the email. After reviewing your message, click Send. The recipient will receive a secure email that follows the confidential mode settings you selected. If needed, you can revoke access to the email before it expires by opening the message from your Sent folder and clicking Remove Access. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send an encrypted email in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.